Beautiful, right? I collect also the clocks. This one is small, but it's special because the alarm is like a sound. Right now it's okay. Let's turn the alarm. Okay. See, turning. And then every clock has the adjustment like this, plus and minus. If time slow, then we can move inside to plus sign. Then it will be run little bit fast. Okay, yeah. And then this is the turn off the alarm. You can turn off the alarm, but another way you can just turn the time. All right. It's I think made in Germany, maybe. Yeah, made in Germany. Small and beautiful. Okay. Today I want to review another Korean typewriter. This one. It's called the Byeng-u Hanyang typewriter. So Hanyang means Korean language and English, because there is see, like this, for there is English letters, right? Like this. I also reviewed this one almost 4 weeks ago, and then this one I reviewed yesterday, and then today I want to focus on this. This one, I told you use the two groups of the consonant and vowel. This part is a consonant, this part is a vowel. But this one, we have 4 groups, 2 groups of consonant, 2 groups of vowel. But this one is 2 groups of consonants and then 1 groups of vowel. So that's why we call the 3 group typewriter. In Korean language, 세 벌식 typewriter. So normally for the Korean language, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This formation. So that means we start for example, this one left to right, right? This one top to bottom. This one top to bottom. This one left to right and bottom, like this. So always start to bottom or left side, right? This one start from the left, right? This one start from left. That means this C means a consonant, right? We should start with the consonant, but top to down or left to right. That's why the early typewriter, they use that kind of concept. So that's why they use the consonant, put the left, the keyboard layout like this. And then also the four groups typewriter, it's called the Nebulic typewriter. They use the same concept. The first consonant, they put the left side of the keyboard layout, and then vowel, and then some mixed some consonant right side, something like that. So that's more, I can say, natural for the Korean language. So first they invented this one, and then later they invented this one, and then later they invented this one. Mr. Gong started to invent this one 1949. So I think he started to sell this typewriter 1950. But this typewriter little bit different concept, because he wanna put the English. So I think he set up the English keyboard exactly same as the English keyboard layout. After that, he put the Korean language. So that's why it's more a little bit the different way. So the natural way, the consonants should be good for the left side or top side, right? The first consonant, and then vowel, and then vowel should be bottom line or right side, and then another consonant on the vowel, or consonant on the consonant vowel, and then another consonant. So that's a very natural layout. So these two, they follow that kind of a concept, but this one little bit different. I think because of the Mr. Gong, I mean Dr. Gong, want to put the English together. So he thought at that time there is no way, because first English layout he wanted to put here exactly same as the English keyboard. So after that he decided which one, something like that. So that's why the first consonant around here, and then vowel here, and then another the closed consonant like this side. So let's see this one more detail. For the typing for exam, real Korean language. Okay, all right. Okay. Actually, I received this typewriter like last Friday with this book. So this book is it is said the Living Read, right? It's written by the Paul Buck. This is original book. I finished this book on the same day. I got this book from the South Korea. It's this is a book translated into Korean language. So I wanna write the title of this book. It's the Living Read, the translate in Korean language. 살아있는 means living. Read means 갈 때. So 살아있는 갈 때. I try type this title. Okay. Okay, and then I want to thank you for the lady. She sent this book with this typewriter. Of course, I bought this one, but she helped to buy this typewriter and then shipping with this book. This is a present she gave me. Okay, so let's see. Okay. First look at this word. 살아있는 means living. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 syllable, right? This is start with every Korean language. Each syllable start with the vowel. The consonant, right? It's for the written system, written language system. And then next is we need to put the vowel a, and then the closed syllable. Closed consonant. So this 살 is a closed syllable, and then a is an open syllable because it's just composed with the consonant and vowel. And then next one, consonant, vowel, consonant. That means a closed syllable. And then this one, consonant, vowel, consonant. So always we start with the consonant. And then if it finish with the consonant, it's called closed syllable. Without consonant like this, then open syllable. But this typewriter doesn't care of the vowel. Just consonant is a consonant. First consonant or the last consonant, depending on we need to use the different group of consonant. Around this part consonant is the first consonant, and then this vowel we can share because for the open syllable, closed syllable, it doesn't matter. And then this around this consonant is for the last consonant for the for making the closed syllable. Okay, so let's try type this one. So first consonant, I told you around here, right? So this one. And then the vowel we can share for open syllable, closed syllable, it doesn't matter. That's the R. And then 살 means closed syllable, this one. So exactly the same, right? This one and then this one. Next is R. So this one and then vowel R. It's an open syllable, so it's done. And then next it. It's a closed syllable. This symbol E and then this symbol. So the first this one and then E this one and then this one. See? It. Exactly same. Next to 는. This one and then this one and then this one. 살아있는. And then okay. What's wrong? Maybe I pushed the. Okay, and then 갈 때. I tried this word. It's a closed syllable. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So this first consonant and then a vowel and then closed consonant. So it's 갈, right? And then 대. It's an open syllable. So this one and then A is this one. So let's see. Yeah, this is 살아있는 갈 때. So we can put the English here. Okay, lock for the English, and then the and then living. I V I N G and then read. D. See? Yeah. That's the but this ink, the behind little bit attached here. So this is one of the good things that we can put the Korean, we can type Korean with the English. And then also Dr. Gong invented the English. This English just for the uppercase, right? but he invented another typewriter with the lowercase, uppercase, and then lowercase, and then Korean language, just one the layout of a keyboard. So, but the political reason, this typewriter, like around 1960, it's prohibited used in South Korea. I don't want to go into that issue, but anyway, so this is the we called this typewriter is Byeng-u 타자기 or 세벌식, because 세 means three, because first consonant group we start with the consonant for Korean language, right? And then vowel, and then close consonant. But a little bit different is normally we use the first consonant this side of layout, but this one, the first consonant around here, and then vowel, and then closing consonant around here. So three group. That's why we called 세벌식 타자기. Three groups of typewriter for Korean language. All right. If you have any chance, any time, read this book. The Living Read is it's about the Korea history. The Paul Book. I think this is the second famous book of her. First one is A Good Earth. We said in Korean language 돼지, and then this one is 살아있는 갈대 is a second famous book of her. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.